Right, slightly heavier nose weight, so let's see what this one can do. Not sure about this yellow filament, it's a little bit brittle. Anyway, we'll go for it. I've had to add a bit of water to the mixture as well, because that's running out. Right, we are losing the light. Right, that was nose heavy, so we should be able to give it a bit of a bend here. So say this yellow stuff seems to be more brittle than the purple. So I'm worried about it snapping right through. Okay, that should be a bit of up elevator. Threw it too hard. Perfect. I just hoped the camera could see it because it was yellow. Nope, threw it too hard. Oh, that would have been out of view. I do hope the camera's catching this. Perfect. Oh, look at that. Oh, beautiful. I'll lower the camera and just try throwing it this direction towards the camera. There's no way I'll be able to get it up to the height we are at the moment. So as I say, I'll lower the camera. I'm going to get the hat camera for the last few minutes. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.